Hey everyone, today we're going to see how we can use MoreThanMarks um, new app. So here we are on the page. So first of all, you just have to log in yourself on morethanmarks.org/beta website. Once you reach the website or able to open the website, you will see this page. So what you have to do as a teacher right now, I'm enrolling into this website. So what I'm going to do, just click on the three buttons which I can see on the very left of the screen and tap on the login section. Once I will log in into it, it will ask me to log in with the Google account from which I am accessing all my Chrome and the applications or whatever. So I will just tap on it and it'll ask me to choose a particular account from which I want to enroll myself as a teacher. So as I'm Arushi, so I'll just tap on that and it will ask me for the next step. It will ask me for what role I'm going to enroll myself into the application. So as a teacher I'm enrolling right now, so I'll select for the teacher. So once I'll tap on the teacher, it will show me the teacher's dashboard. So I have already enrolled for a one particular class already, so I'll just make a one for you to show how to fill everything. So once I tap on that plus sign down on the screen, if I can see, I'll just tap on the plus sign and here I can see classroom title is asking me for to fill. So the classroom title I can just tap, right, just like if I'm taking a beginner batch right now in the Sharda Mata, so I'll just write down the name of the class only, the Sharda Mata beginner batch. And then on the second step, description it's asking me for, so I will just write, because I'm taking an English class, I will fill down English class. Okay, so next step, it asking me the what topic am I covering in the class. So right now I'm covering spoken English and I'm working on spoken English with the kids /fluency, so I'll just fill it down. Okay, next thing is asking for the meeting link. So the meeting link will be provided to you by the admin department. So right now I'm having some random meeting link, so I'm just filling it down here. And you don't need to just mention any WhatsApp group ID or something. If we provide you any group ID, then you can just fill it down. Otherwise, it is not necessary to fill down WhatsApp group ID. Then click on the add button, and then we are ready with the another class with Sharda Mata. And when I just click on it, I can see the details. Just tap on the get details and you can see all the details which is necessary to run a class over this app. You can see your spoken English, your classroom ID, the attendance sheet you can open. So the very next step after enrolling yourself into this app, you can just invite the students by tapping on that, and you can share the link with them over WhatsApp and everything. Once they enroll themselves, you will be able to see them enrolled. Let me show you. There's like the 4 students have already enrolled to the particular subject, so you can see their names. And one more thing, what you can see check their attendance list as well. Okay, and you can schedule their time slots as well. You can edit that as well, that on if there's a holiday on Sunday, you just don't have to click on that. On Monday, if I'm taking classes, so at what time I will be taking, supposedly I'll be taking at 2, so the time schedule will be 2 p.m. to next at what time it will over by 3, so 3 p.m. So it's done. I can update my classroom and I can see the updated timetable here. So next is about the teacher. Just like I'm Arushi currently talking to you, so it's like, hello, I am Arushi, your English teacher. You can explain them who will be their English or whatsoever is XYZ subject teacher. Okay, what about the classroom? It's an English class where we're going to learn we're going to learn how to speak in English fluently. That's it. Let's update this. So it's English class where we're going to learn how to speak in English fluently. Next, you can update your meet links as well. If you want to, you can just click on the update link and you just change your link. And for the assignments, you can just click on that. You can assign them by clicking on the plus sign. You can just assign them, assign title, description, choose your file, allot them a due date, at what time you want to just to submit, and this way the assignments will be submitted by them, and you can just provide them. You can also provide them resources by clicking on the add documents, add image, procedure and everything. You can also write down notices for them if you are taking leave, or just tell them if you are on leave a day before, everything. So that's how this app works. Hopefully it will help you a lot throughout your journey. I hope I'm able to cover all the points in this app. Thank you for joining us.